Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by verifying the essentials so syncing behaves predictably. Make sure Outlook for Mac is updated and that you have your Microsoft 365 or Exchange sign-in. Once done, open Outlook and switch to Calendar View. This ensures you're working in the right module. Next, go to Outlook Preferences Accounts and add or confirm your account so calendars appear. This step avoids duplicate calendars and permission issues later, so complete it before creating or importing events. Now you'll create events, import external calendars, and organize them for clarity. Create an event with new items, right arrow event, fill title, location, attendees, and add a reminder so you don't miss it. To bring in Ike's files, use file right arrow import and pick the calendar destination. This keeps imported events separated. Once events exist, group calendars, apply colors, and adjust permission levels to control who sees or edits entries. These actions let you manage visibility and prevent scheduling conflicts across work. Finish by fine-tuning sync, view, and notification settings so Outlook behaves reliably. Check calendar preferences for default reminders, week start, and time zone support. Make sure time zone support is enabled if you travel. If sync stalls, refresh the calendar, toggle account sync, or remove and re-add the account to force a clean sync. If you see duplicates or missing invites, verify attendee responses and conflict rules. Finally, export Ike's backup periodically to recover quickly if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.